It's me, look at Game Evans, and look what we got. We got a bird house because I said not too long ago that I really wanted a bird. We all got that. And I said to my mum not too long ago that I really wanted the birds, and I have to look after the birds outside. They're not ours, but they come like literally every day, so I have to look after them. That's why I have a bird house, bird food, bird stuff, birds. What's in here? We should give him some swag in there, some monkey swag. And look guys, look, I know what that's for. So I can't wait to put the seeds in there and they go in. So can't wait the bird. So this is a short video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And maybe we'll do another bird video. And for my birthday, I really want a bird.